Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just doing a quick little project share. This is a video response to Becky Longs giveaway here on YouTube. It was her 300 subbie giveaway, but she's already on her way to 500 now, getting all these followers. So go give Becky some love. All you had to do was make a memory dex. So this is what I made right here. I do have it already sewn up in this clear like pocket. What are they called? I don't know what these are. Page protectors? Because Adriana Alvarez like always sews up her stuff in these little bags, and I think it just adds that extra touch and like cute way to send something without having to do like an entire like package with a topper and stuff. So you just sew all the way around. I left it at the bottom because I didn't have enough like space. But here's my memory dex card. I did use the Maggie Holmes Carousel collection. This die right here is from Andy's store on AliExpress, and I just cut it out all in thick cardstock. I sewed on a little tag, "Made with Love" by Craft Purge, and then I put some pom-pom trim on the very inner of the lip because it does flip open. It's like a little envelope pocket, and then the whole front section I tried to fill it to the max with like a little sequins mix that I made, and I shoved it all in there so it's kind of puffy and thick. And then I sewed that around, and I used some gold. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I love this tool. Where is it? So I used this tool on another project just recently, and that's like a pink flocked heart. And this one is a glitter heart tool. And this tool is much like softer and can snag easier, if that makes sense. I don't know what I'm trying to say. But I used that on the very front. And then I just used some ephemera pieces. I stapled them together. Cut apart some ephemera pieces and some scrap paper and just stitched everything on there like you can see in the back. And then I used this little eyelet setter right here. This is from AliExpress, shaped like a heart. And I did have a question. Somebody asked if they worked because they said that theirs were not like setting correctly with their setting tool. And let me show you. Real quick, you guys, I was mind blown. I did not see this on a tutorial or anything. So the eyelet, that back piece is kind of like big and wide. You guys, oh my, I was like, what the, I don't know what made me think of it. You guys, this little thing in here, it rotates. Look at this. And it just like snaps in, or it's magnetized or something. So normally mine is on this super thin one. I just rotated it around to get the fat one. Yeah, I don't know how this is spinning along in here. Okay, it wasn't working. Okay, so the fat one. And then this side freaking rotates too. Look at, like, all sorts of different settings. I don't know what they mean, what they do, but I put on the fattest one and the fattest one, and it closed the eyelet perfectly. Like, so it works. So I was super happy and excited. And again, the eyelet setter did not like chip off the paint. I know the We Are Memory Keepers one, every time I clamp it down, the paint chips off. These little swan charms from AliExpress. This little ball is from AliExpress, and I think these are from Joann's maybe, or Tuesday Morning. I can't remember. Maybe AliExpress. I don't even know anymore. So that's all you had to create, but I did go ahead and create some bows just as like a little gift. So it says gift here. This is an ephemera piece. The other part of this happiness is here one. You guys saw this bag topper in my Alina Crafts project share. So I just added that little piece to kind of make it more Maggie Holmes. I did the 3 little bows right here. Super cute. This is from KLJUYP store. So I will link everybody's different stuff down below. I used the Hobby Lobby gems in between, and then I just used some vellum gold polka dot paper to add like that daintiness. So this is my little entry, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.